rumble?
Ready to rumble.
Ready to rumble. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty. All right. Number two. I'm gonna tell you right now. If you don't give me 100% of your concentration, you're gonna be lost. Of course, depending on your trading experience, you'll be lost. Oh my God, where is this guy at? So 99% of your concentration, that's not gonna cut it. I'm telling you right now. All right. So if you are in another room, if you are with your buddies, if you're a hobby trader, this room is not for you. Period. As simple as that. All right. So let's get down to business.
Let's do it.
All right. So the pilot's checklist: check how you feel, check your equipment, check your emotion, check your confidence, concentration, courage, check your discipline. The pilot's job. You gotta check that every single day, huh? All righty then. Okay. So this is the beginning. What I'm gonna say right now. The market is different every single day, and we never know what kind of action we're gonna have. Sometimes the market is moving. Sometimes the market is moving rhythmically, and sometimes it's not. Okay, so we have a system here. That looks for to be in harmony with the price action. The reason 99.9% of traders don't make it is they have no clue what the market conditions are. They have no clue. If you don't know what the market conditions are, then you have no clue as to what you should do. Simple. Okay, so you should have a chart, right, dedicated to me. All right, so I want you to put a support price line right there at 88. Okay, that's a minor support, and I want you to put another support at 81. All right, 88, 81. Okay, those are supports. So far we don't have direction. And I want you to put resistance at 207. Okay, 207 resistance, 207. Okay. So we only have one resistance, 207, and we have two supports. Okay, we have 88, so it's a minor support, really easy to get destroyed, but support nevertheless. Right, 88, 81, and we have 207. Only one resistance so far. Remember, the market is dynamic; it's changing all the time. Everything changes all the time. So our job is to figure out the change. All right. Okay. All right. Shot then.
Let's play the place.
Okay, I'll give it a shot. But I know when you say you have a feeling, we're not supposed to have feelings. Well, I have a feeling. What can I say? I have a feeling we're gonna have a big, huge, good drop today. So that feeling, my friend, we're gonna be looking for resistance somewhere, and then when we place a short trade, in the back of our mind, we have to have that. We have to remember. I remember that guy had a feeling, yeah, that this thing was gonna dump. Okay, oh my God, so probably, boom, short, such and such, resistance is working with me. Two things. Number one, you have a good position, and number two, let it ride. Okay. Now that you know that, is it gonna happen? I don't know. It's just a feeling. Okay. Well, we're gonna be looking for that resistance. That's not the market conditions that we have today. Alright, so my suggestion is we're gonna warm up just like we did yesterday. We're gonna warm up with a very small position size. We're going to be shaking. The market is gonna try to do all kinds of shenanigans with us, and so we have to be cautious of that. Alrighty, okay. So, but we have our levels of support and resistance at least already. And what do we do here in this room? Well, we buy support and we sell resistance. And what else do we do?
We sell resistance and
Exactly, we sell resistance. Buy support and we buy support and we sell support and we buy resistance and we sell resistance. But we start with buying support and selling resistance. Okay. Okay. We know how tough breakouts are. We know that breakouts are the fake breakouts. Is what there is the most. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, okay. All righty then. Okay, let's see now. The overall market direction, my friend, is sideways. Okay. It's a horrible sideways. So this high right here, 99, it's pretty good. I'm not expecting the price to take it. All right, not expecting the price to take it. A clean break of 98, 99. The price is going to 2,000. That's a psychological level. We know there's gonna be some shenanigans there, but we know that a clean break of this swing high right here, 98. The price is gonna go up 9 more points all the way to 207 by way of 02. Alright, so you go ahead and you put a resistance line right there on 02. Clean break of this high right here, 98, right? Clean break. It'll go to 202, a little shenanigans, continue breaking. Maybe we'll see a pullback dancing around 202, back to 98, and then it's gonna find support and it's on its way to 207. Okay? Alright, so that's the long action. Alrighty? Okay, so alright, but I'm not expecting the price to take 98, so we're gonna be looking to short 90, that one right there, 99, and then we're gonna see how it breaks, and then we're gonna short 02. And we know that if it's a clean break, we have to get the hell out because it will continue going all the way to 207. We already know that. All right, so let's say we are in, remember 88. Okay, remember 88. Okay, remember 88. So what we want to know is, so the price right now is 91, right? A break of this low right here. We knew the price was gonna go to 88, right? Remember?
Yep.
All right. So, okay. So that's okay. So that's 88. Right. So a break of at the open, right? A break at the open of to the downside. Remember? We knew the price was gonna go to 88. 88 is our support. We all know that. We've known that for half an hour already. Okay. All right. 88 and then 81. Okay. All right. So the bears are in control, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, price is 90. 89, right? We knew that we were going to have some small support right here at 88. Right? So the bears are in total control, okay, of this open. Right? So a clean break of the right here, clean break of break of that 92, right, we knew that the price was going to take us to 88, right? We've known that 88 is support, all right? So you take a shot, right? Take a shot short that 92, right? 92, take a shot short that 92. We know the price is going to go to 88. 88, of course, you go long 88. You've known so 88 is support. You've known it for 35 minutes already. So you took a shot right there, long 88, expect chop. Remember, 88 is not strong support, so it can so easily be taken. So let's start from the beginning. The Bears are in control right now. They took 92. They took 92, right? They took 92, and that confirms the the control of the action right now. So the Bears are in control. Break of 92, we knew the price was going to go to 88 because I told you that half an hour ago, more than half an hour ago. Yeah. 88 is support. You go long 88, right there. 88, 89, it goes 90, it's coming right back. We know we're going to have some chop here. We never let a winner turn into a loser, but we're going. So in other words, Bears are in control, but this is a chop action. Clean break of 88, we know where the price is going to go, so we don't want to be long anymore. Clean break of 88 is going to take the price all the way to 81. There's nothing stopping the price after a clean break of 88 to go to 81, so it's going to go down 7 points. Well, we're going to take it easy. We're long 88 right now, and we're going to let it ride, and we know that we're going to be chopped. What we think is going to happen. We're going to be chopped 4 points, 88, 92, 92, 88, and then let's see what happens after that. Okay? We know that a clean break of 88, we have to change hats, right? Because right now we are in a counter trend, we're going to call it trend, in a counter trend long 88, because the Bears are in control right now, and we had the balls to go long 88. Well, we went long 88 because we knew it half an hour ago that 88 was the first support, right? Boom, that's what? 91, right? So that's plus 3. And look at the way that the price is going to continue playing with us right here, 88, 92, right? So we know everything. Clean break of 92, then we continue with our counter trend long, expecting the price to go all the way to 98 and God knows where else, right? However, right, so that's what we're doing right now. However, we know that there can be, who's in control? Mistake. The Bears. So we know that we have to be extremely cautious. Thank you, Mistake. For the clean break of 88, we don't want to be long anymore because we know that the Bears are going to take it. They're going to take the price all the way to 81. Now, is it going to be on a straight line? We all know that that's not going to happen. But as soon as if the price takes 88, then we're going to change hats, and then we're going to look for resistance, expecting now the price to continue to 81. Until that happens, we just remain long. Okay? So we know exactly what to expect every which way the market decides to do whatever the hell it is going to do. Remember what I told you? This open is going to be worse than yesterday. You remember how choppy yesterday was? And those of us who have a lot of patience and a lot of confidence, and those of us who've been trading for more than 36 years, then we've seen this a million times, but that doesn't mean that we don't know how tough this is. Okay, so all right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to lower the 88 to 87. 87 is now what was 88 support. It is now 88, and as long as the price doesn't take 87 now, we are in no man's land right now, 87, 92. That's a 5 point rate. We're in no man's land. And then we, bulls, those of us who went long 88, right? Then we want the price to take 92 and give us a hard time, but take me to 98, right?
Right.
98 so that we can make 10 points on this open on a very tough market condition today. That's what we want. But we know that we are so cautious, are we not, Mistake?
Yes, we are.
All right, then. Let's do it. Okay. So, what do you think? Why? Why? Support because resistance, resistance because support. 92. Remember, break of 92 was gonna take the price all the way to 88. So we nailed that one nicely, right?
Yes.
And then it goes to 88. We know that we're gonna buy 88. We knew it half an hour before. Bang! We nailed long 88. We believe that short term, the bears are the one in control. We know that we are in a counter trend, and we all know that counter trend sometimes end up being the beginning of a beautiful new massive trend. That's why we trade multiple contracts so that we can ride this baby past 92. We know 92 is going to try to stop it a little bit, right? I know why it's not going. It's because you guys are locking 4 points right there at 92. That's why it's not. That's why it hasn't taken it nicely yet. Number one, and number two, remember that there is a phantom trend and is buried. Alright? So if we change hats to bear, remember, do what I told you. Alright, so price goes to almost 93, so we're up 5 points. And we believe that, like I said, price went from 88 to 87. And that 87, my friend, is pretty good. It's pretty strong. Alright, so I believe that the price before, alright, listen to this, before the price breaks 87, it's gonna test 94. So our job, those of us who are long 88, right? Long 88, okay, long 88, right? Remember 88? Our job is to hold this position and have the market chop with us. All these 88, 94, 94, 88, 88, 94, 88, 94. And please go ahead and test 94. Break it. Continue to 98. Break it. Continue to 202. Break it. And give me 207. As long as this 87 right here is not taken, our job is to continue playing the long side, expecting the price to do everything I just told you. We know we were going to have a hard time at 92. Look at it. 94, you'll see. 98, you'll see. 202, you'll see. And 207. Alright, so that's the plan. Clean break of 87. We know where the price is going and we know exactly what to do. Okay, that's plus 6, 94, 95, that's plus 7. Right? And remember, we not only need to know what the price is going to do, but we must know how it's going to do it. Because look at that. It's resistance. Look at that. You see that? You see how the price goes to 94 and change to 95? And bang! It has to come back down all the way back to 92. It's resistance. What do you think? Conventional traders, people that trade only what they see, they don't trade what they think like we do here. We trade both here. We trade what we see and we trade what we think. Don't let any parakeet teenager on YouTube tell you not to trade what you think because he just read that somewhere or he heard it from somebody that heard it from somebody. These people that they have no clue what really trading is done, right? All right. So you'll see here. Gotta trade. Your edge is to know the future. If you don't know the future, you don't have an edge. And the future, my friend, is not only direction, not only what the price is gonna do, but how it's gonna do it. That's the only way that you're gonna be able to control your emotions, your fear, and your greed, and you're gonna. It's the only way that you can turn into a professional trader. Meaning, let it ride. We're not after one point here. Not that it's any, not that it's bad. If you can make a living, look at that. Look at that pullback. Look at it. All right. So what do you think is happening right now? We all know exactly what's going on. Because right now, you guys are locking right here, 94. Therefore, price needs to come back down. That's number one. And number two, smart money is taking the stops of the weak bulls. We know that, I'm going to repeat this, we know that as long as 87 is not taken, we want to continue banging the long side. Eventually, have the bulls take control of this snake wave that we are on right now. Right? We are on a snake wave, 95, 87. Okay? We are on an 8-point range shenanigans right here, lipping up and down, lipping up and down. And our plan is to stay long, build back better every time. If the market takes, if any strong, vicious pullback takes your trail, your job is to build back better and get back long if you want to take advantage of the small odds that the price is going to take 94 and go to 98 before it breaks 87, right? Okay. And if it does break the low 87, we also know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to change hats. We're going to desist of wanting to be long, and then we're going to look for resistance so that we can go short, and then we're going to expect the price to actually take 87. It doesn't matter how strong 87 is. We all know that the price takes everything. The price takes the toughest resistance and the toughest support. The price takes it eventually, right? It takes it. We know that the bears then would regain control back, and they're going to take it all the way to 81 until I tell you different. And remember the rule of three. 33% of the time, setups work. The other 33% of the time, they don't work. And the other 34% of the time, the price is going to play with you so much that they're going to test your patience, and they're going to take all the amateurs and the teenagers kid jiving and bullshitting everybody on YouTube, making them believe that they're big shot. All right, on their demo account, they'll be taken out. Remember also that I told you that long 88 that we took that went all the way to 94, it was a counter trend. Why was a counter trend? Because I told you that the real power was the bears. The bears were the one in control. We just wanted the price to, continue going up since we're long. But we know that we were in a counter trend. We knew that we were going against the main trend. It's just that we couldn't go short right here, 94, because it was too shit. We wanted confirmation. Where is the confirmation? Right here, 87. That I told you at 9 a.m. this morning. Hey, listen, a clean break of 87, this baby's going all the way to 81, 88, 87, 88, 87. And you knew that, remember when I told you, hey, listen, I have a feeling that we're going to have a nice drop today. Look at it, 95, 82. All right? And you know that now 87, trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. You know that 88 and 87 are now resistance. Do you know? All right. Okay. So this is the housing market. All right. So what else is going to happen? Well, we are short now, right? The clean break of, we are short now. The clean break. Right? We are short now. The clean break of 80, 80K, right? And we're gonna ride it all the way to 81. Exactly what we're gonna do. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's 81, isn't it? Right? So we went long 88, gave us all the way to 94, 95. It gave us 5, 6 points, and then it jumped. We knew it was going to happen. Terrific. And where is it going next? 78. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have two more supports now. 70. Okay, we have 74 and 78. We have two more supports. 74. All right. So 88 is a destination. All right. Okay. 70, 78. Okay. 78 and 74 is a target. Okay. Okay. 81 is a destination. Beautiful. At 79, this is a target. We have a wide target. We have a wide target. 74, 78. Okay, this is support, ladies and gentlemen, right here. 70, 74. Okay, 74, 78 is support. Okay, is also a target. 81 is not a target, it was a destination. Okay, 81 was a destination only. We knew price was gonna go to 81. Like everything in trading, we have to see how the market moves. Look at that. There's no reason for you to get out 81. Now you do have a reason. Beginning 78, boom, that's 78. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's 78. So, any reason for you to get out 78? No, right? Look at the way it took it. Now, I do want you to definitely log 74. 74, I do want you to log, no matter what. All right? 74. You can log 74, 78, that's 4 point range, right? What's the mid range between 74 and 74 and 78? Well, it's right there, 76. So I'm okay if you get out here at 76, all right? 74, you must get out. It's a lock. This is target one. This area right here is target one, all right? No shenanigans, okay? No greedy, none of that. Look, price broke 87 and it gave us a move all the way from 87 to almost 75. That's 12 points. You got to get out. Look here. All right, so look at the mid-range 76, right? Remember I told you, you have to get out here. Okay, you have to. Okay, beautiful. Price goes all the way to 81, which is a destination. We knew it. And then target one is 78, 76, and 74. The mid-range between 78 and 74 is 76. And look at what happened right here at 76. Look